Okay, real life, sorry. Okay. So hi, we did a video before COVID.
Yeah.
3 years ago. So you were writing books about the embedded?
Yep, so I did Mastering Embedded Linux Programming for PAX Publishing, which is still, it's in its third edition now. Selling pretty well. Yeah, it was good fun to write.
And it's connected here. There it is. Yeah.
It's great to be back at Embedded World after 2 years, and yeah, it's just great to be just wandering around, seeing all the people, finding out all kinds of things which you know, I didn't know about. It's just great to be back in person and not just looking at a TV screen all the time.
And seeing people again. It's funny to see that people are still there, right, in the world.
Yeah. It's just like it always has been. So yeah, I've just been talking to some people about Flutter for embedded systems, which is very interesting. Got to check that out. Just talking to the guys over at foundries.io about their system. There's so much stuff going on around here. It's incredible.
How do you find people talking about Flutter? Is there a Flutter booth?
Yeah.
Like from Google?
No. It's KDAB Labs. They're just over there.
What do you call it?
KDAB. I think it's KDAB.
Oh.
Don't quote me.
Can you show me where they are?
Yeah, sure. Follow me.
Because Flutter it's kind of like the dream platform that I've been hoping would be really working out and useful, and that Google wouldn't kill, and keep it going, and like one code base for everything.
Yeah.
That's the idea, right?
So, but now it's attractive for embedded systems because it's an alternative to Qt. Has very attractive licensing. It's cross-platform, develop once, deploy, blah blah blah. It's got everything you need. So yeah, really good. I'm not exactly sure if I can find exactly which booth they were on. So you may have to wait for a moment while I just find them. I think it was it's over there by the Open Synergy.
Thanks a lot.
Follow me.
Because I would have never found it. Because I wouldn't know where to look.
I
just look everywhere.
Yeah, I just stumbled across them. So the weird thing is that I'd never really thought about Flutter for embedded until yesterday. And somebody started talking about it. Actually, the foundries.io guys, and then somebody else was talking about it today. I thought, well, this is really something, I've got to check this out. So then I turn around and then I say the booth. But yeah, it's a neat way of developing. Kind of brings together kind of mobile world and embedded world. Yeah, I've not tried it myself, but it sounds like a great idea.
I'm trying to bring up
just on the end here.
Thanks. So it's kind of one of the coolest conferences of the year, no? Embedded World.
There we go.
What do you think? Embedded World is the fun place for you?
Yeah, it's fantastic. So the great thing is coming here, I can see everybody, meet everybody I need to know. So I do this conference. I also do FOSDEM, which is a totally different thing, but FOSDEM in Brussels in February is always a good thing to be as well. Purely software, purely open source.
Did they have a show last February?
Virtual.
Virtual.
Not an in-person show, but I'm hoping we'll do a real show next February. So Brussels is always nice, lots of Belgian waffles, lots of Belgian beer. It's a great place to be.
And it's nicer to have a real show than this virtual stuff, right?
Yeah, the virtual thing didn't really work, at least not for me, because you don't get these chance encounters with people in the corridors. You just go to the presentation you're going to go to. Nobody really talks that much. There's not very much kind of interaction. Whereas in person, you know, we are social beings, and so people want to talk to each other. And you can go out to the pub, you can go out to the bar in the evening and continue the conversations. So all kinds of things come up. Some of them relevant, some of them not relevant.
Cool, awesome.
Okay.
Was there anything else you'd like to talk about? What's your latest project?
Okay, so basically I do training classes. I teach people Android, how to build Android systems and how to build Android automotive systems. So that's basically what I do. And the latest thing is I'm trying to set up some kind of community behind Android open source project, AOSP. So I have the AOSP and AAOS meetup group. It's impossible to pronounce, but it's a place to get together for people doing AOSP work and also Android Automotive OS, which is AAOS. So it's the AOSP and AAOS meetup. So anybody interested in those things, join me there.
And it's in real life?
So it's a meetup.
It's
a virtual meetup because everybody's scattered around different parts of Europe and different parts of the world, so it has to be. But we are actually doing a in-person meetup this evening at 6 p.m. It's entirely booked up, so no free places. But we do occasionally do in-person meetups, and the next one probably will be at FOSDEM in February 2023.
Where are you based?
I'm in Winchester in southern England, but most of my work is across Europe, Germany, France, Sweden, Portugal, etc.
Cool. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
Nice to see you here. Cool.
Right talking to you.
Let me give you my card again so you can check it out. This is 1 hour and 40 minutes into the live stream. Okay. You'll be able to see, but I'll split it out. I can call it Walking Around with Chris Simmonds at the Embedded World, this video. Cool. Let me see.
Talk to these guys. These guys are really interesting.
Cool. Thanks a lot.
Okay. Have fun.
Okay. Have a fun show.